Bam, 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 bam. We interrupt this program. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Tally Police Department. Moments ago, Suicide Mickey has been seen roaming the streets of Tally. Do not let your children watch Disney Junior. It has been reported that children have been committing suicide as a direct result of seeing Suicide Mickey on their TV screens. Also, several children have been reported missing in the Tally area. The mayor of Tally has issued a child abduction emergency. It has been reported that over 3 children are missing at this current time. The details to these missing children will be found on the Tally Police Department website. If you feel as if you have seen one of these missing children, do not approach them. Do not approach them. Please report them to the Tally Police Department. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 beep. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Tally Police Department. Recently, in the city of Tally, Suicide Mickey has been shot dead by police officers, and it is now safe to come out of your home. Sadly, the children that were abducted by Suicide Mickey are all dead. They were all killed by stabbing wounds. The Tally Police Department and the mayor of Tally would like to thank you for your cooperation. Bam, bam, bam. What the hell? Suicide Mickey killed children? Holy shit, this is serious. Bam, 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 beep. We interrupt this program. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Camigonkain Police Department. Previously, in the city of Camigonkain, several children have been reported missing. The mayor of Camigonkain has issued a child abduction emergency. If you would like to find out more about the children that were reported missing, please visit the Camigonkain Police Department website. It has been reported that these children in Camigonkain have been reported missing due to Jeffrey Wood, also known as Jeff the Killer. Jeff the Killer is a hostile creepypasta character who usually walks around armed with a knife and usually whispers, "Go to sleep," before chaos ensues. Please stay vigilant and lock all doors and windows and seal all possible entrances to your home. Bam, bam, bam. Go to sleep. Ah! Holy shit, that was terrifying. Bam, bam, bam. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Camigonkain Police Department. Moments ago, Jeff the Killer was shot dead by police officers, and the children who were abducted were all found dead of stabbing wounds. The mayor of Camigonkain and the Camigonkain Police Department would like to thank you for your cooperation. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. We interrupt this program. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Belka Police Department. Moments ago, in the city of Belka, an unknown creepypasta character was seen walking around, wielding a knife. Multiple children have been reported missing in the Belka area. Please lock all doors and windows and be quiet. Turn off all lights. This creepypasta character can smell fear from up to 10 miles away, and this will draw him to your location. Please do not panic. Multiple children in Belka have been reported missing. If you would like to know more information about the missing children in Belka, then please visit the Belka Police Department website. Bam, bam, bam. Holy shit. They don't even know who this creepypasta character is? Holy shit. Bam, 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 bam. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Belka Police Department. Moments ago, the unknown creepypasta character has been shot dead on sight. He was later identified as Sonic EXE, and all the children who were kidnapped by Sonic EXE were found dead, and bloody Sonic plushies were found next to the victims. It is now safe to come out of your home. The Belka Police Department and the Mayor of Belka would like to thank you for your cooperation. Bam, bam, bam. What the hell is going on in this world today? That's like the third creepypasta character they've had to deal with. They're all coming to life. And it seems it seems they will stop at nothing to kill everyone. This makes me uncomfortable. Bam, 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 bam. We interrupt this program. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Beverview Police Department. Moments ago, in the city of Beverview, zombies were seen walking the streets of Beverview. Please, turn off all lights, turn off all heating and air conditioning vents, lock all doors and windows, and barricade all possible entrances to your home. These zombies have been known to be aggressive towards human beings, and they will stop at nothing to ensure that they kill everyone. Bam, bam, bam. Holy shit, what now? Zombies in Beverview? Are you kidding me? I swear, what has this world come to? 3 creepypasta characters and now a zombie apocalypse? Bam, 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 bam. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Camigonkain National Guard. Moments ago, all of the zombies in town were cleared out via gunshots. The National Guard has declared it safe to come out of your homes now. If you have been scratched or bitten, then please report to Kenneth Maternity Hospital. There they will restrain you and inject you with a treatment for the zombie virus. Thank you for your cooperation. The Camigonkain National Guard, the police department, and the mayor of Beverview would like to thank you for your cooperation as well. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Camigonkain State National Guard. Moments ago, all of the patients from Kenneth Maternity Hospital became infected with the zombie virus. And they have become hostile towards the doctors and hospital staff. These infected individuals are now roaming the streets of Beverview. Please remain calm and barricade all possible entrances to your home. Turn off all lights, heating vents, and air conditioning vents, and do not use the tap water as it may be polluted. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Camigonkain State National Guard. Recently, all the infected individuals have been shot dead in the city of Beverview and the surrounding areas. It is now safe to come out of your home. Please remain vigilant. And the mayor of Beverview and the Beverview Police Department and the Camigonkain State National Guard would like to thank you for your cooperation. Bam, bam, bam.